Dele Rinpoche. I'm very happy, and for this big ceremony I respect to Kadam Tichen Dorje Chang Rinpoche. I respect Kyapne Puchungwa Rinpoche. I respect Kyapne Sharawa Rinpoche and all Rinpoche. I respect also all Lama and my friend Dawa Lama. I'm very happy for the big ceremony. Africa have many problems, but myself I can do. But together with Rinpoche, I think we will change the story for Africa. Just the Buddhism can transform mind for Africa. Really, my father was working, but many difficult, because he was not meeting Rinpoche. But for me, I am lucky again to meet Rinpoche. Please, Rinpoche, together we can change mind for all people in Africa and in Congo. Thank you.